Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ritu Kapoor. Today I'm going to unbox and review Grabox for May month. So this is the box which I've got. Let's just quickly unbox it and see what all is there. I will be unboxing the jewel Grabox. So let's talk about that. The price for a monthly subscription is ₹499 and I will be mentioning everything in the description box, the buy link and everything. So you guys can check it. Now let's just quickly see what all it has. Let's start with the info card. So this is the info card and it says May Jewel Grabox, and on the other side I have the detailed, the name and the price, all the jewelry pieces. So let's start with the first one. The first one is the golden peacock earrings and the price for this one is ₹200. This is the one. Oops, let me just detangle it. It's actually okay. So yeah, I have to, okay, done. So this is the first one. 200 is the price. Color is golden. So of course they will look really pretty with kurtis, with suit, really pretty. Let me just try on one and show you the look. And as you know, I always attach a lookbook in the end, so you can just have a look, like proper look. You can actually see the proper look of the jewelry. So yeah, I will be creating one lookbook for this one as well, and I will be attaching that in the end so you guys can see that. Now this is the look, really pretty, very sleek, yet very beautiful, I would say, and they are quite lightweight, so I like it. 200 is the price for this one. Now let's move on to the next one. The next one is the long string earrings and the price for that is ₹250, and these are really pretty. I love it. Very sleek, very classy. Just have a look. So it's very classy, silver long string earrings. They will look amazing on your party dress. Whenever you go party, you can actually wear this. It's golden in color, so they will actually go with everything. So I love it. I would say one of my favorite earring in the box for sure. 250 is the price for this one, and let me just show you the look. Of course, they are looking really pretty. This is the look. Wow. Now let's move on to the next one, and the next one is this beautiful neck piece which I'm wearing already. So you can just see the look is so pretty. I love it. It's oxidized silver, and this is a oxidized silver neck piece. The price for this one is ₹350, and I absolutely loved it. It's looking stunning on me. So yes, super happy with this one. Now let's move on to the next one. The next one is this one. This is a mangtika set, and again it's really pretty. It's silver is the color, and it has this mirror here, so mirror jewelry. Pretty earrings. Let me just wear one to show you the look. And yes, it's not really going. Okay, done. So this is the look. Let me just remove the neck piece, I guess, so you can actually see the proper look for this mangtika set. This is the earring, and if I have to show you the mangtika, okay, so this is the mangtika. Wow, so pretty, loving it. The price for this one is ₹400, and yes, super happy with this one. This is the pretty set which I've got, so happy. Now moving on to the next one. The next one is a pair of ear cuffs. So I'm not really sure how to wear it because I have never tried it, but let me try and let me just show you if I can wear it like properly. I think I should wear it like this here. Oops, I really don't know. Okay, let me try. I think something like this. I'm not really sure. Sorry, guys. This is the look. You guys can see the look. The price for this one is ₹100, and if you have to wear it like this, then I think they look pretty. 100 is the price. Now let's move on to the next one, and the next one is the tassel crystal fringe earrings, and this is the one. You can just see, really pretty. I love the color, very different color, and I'm actually sure that I don't have anything of this color, so yes, I'm liking it. Let me wear one and show you the look. Of course they will look good because the color is so pretty, and then crystal is there, then it has tassels, so the combination is quite nice. Wow, they are actually party earrings, so yes, happy with this one. And now I'm left with the last one, and the last one is a beautiful multi-layer neck piece. I love it, and I already have like something close to this, and I really like that one. So yes, I'm happy that I've got one more. Let me just detangle it, and then I can wear it and show you the look. So this is the look. It's so pretty, very colorful, and of course it's layered. So whenever you are wearing something deep or maybe of this neck, this type of multi-layer neck piece will actually enhance your look. So yes, I'm happy. Very pretty, very colorful, very it actually adds lots of color in your dress. So yes, I like it. The price for this one is 200 rupees, and this is the last jewelry in the box which I've got. So yeah, that's all. The total worth of all the jewelry pieces is 1900 rupees. You're just paying 499 rupees. So I think it's really nice. And if you ask my favorites, actually I'm really confused. This one is really nice. Then this oxidized silver neck piece is first love, I would say. Then the mangtika set is really nice, the earrings and the mangtika, of course. Then these earrings are super cool. Then this gold earrings are really classy. So I think overall a good box. I am quite happy, like always actually. Grabox never disappoints us. So yes, I'm super happy with this one. And if you like it, go ahead and place your order. I will be mentioning the buying link and everything in the description box. So that's all for today. And of course, I will be coming up with the May giveaway, guys. So yeah, stay connected for that. And in the end, I will be attaching a lookbook. And for the April giveaway, I have already announced the names. You can check the giveaway video, like the April giveaway video. In the description box, you will find the name of winners. So yeah, that's all for today. I will see you in my next video. Till then, lots of love and bye-bye.